Welcome to the training on brief formatting, page numbering, and sections. To start this training, we're going to create a title page placeholder, as well as a table of contents and table of authorities placeholders. To do this, we'll click at the top of our document and go to the Page Layout tab at the top, go to Breaks, and choose the Next Page Section Break. It's very important you choose Next Page Section Break because it will help us with our page numbering. So now we're just going to type in our title page placeholder. We're going to insert another next page section break. So again, page layout, breaks, next page. Now we'll insert our table of contents placeholder, and once more we'll go to breaks, next page section break, and insert our table of authorities placeholder. Now that we have our placeholders in place, we're ready to insert our page numbering. What we want is our title page to be blank, not to have a number. Our table of contents and table of authorities will have Roman numerals that continue from one section to the next. And then our regular document, we'd like to have numbered 1 through however many pages. So let's start with our title page placeholder. Double click in the footer, and if you see a number, delete it. We're going to go down now to our table of content placeholder page and click in the footer. You may notice it's saying same as previous. This means anything we do to this footer will affect the previous section because it thinks they're the same. Now, because we want to have Roman numerals on this page, but have our title placeholder page blank, we need to turn this off. To do that, click on Link to Previous up at the top under the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. You'll notice when you click on it, Link to Previous turns off. So now we're ready to insert our Roman numeral page numbering for our table of contents. To do this, we're going to go to Page Number, Current Position, Plain Number. You'll notice it puts a regular number 1 in there. To change it to Roman numerals, go back to Page Number, go to Format Page Number, and under Number Format, change it to lowercase Roman numerals. You'll notice there's also 2 options to continue from previous section or start at, and then you can choose a Roman numeral to start at. We do want it to start at Roman numeral 1, so we're leaving it at that. Clicking on OK. Now we have Roman numeral 1. We'll check our previous section. It's still blank, which is perfect. Roman numeral 1. Now you notice the table of authorities should be Roman numeral 2. Because it's set to same as previous, it will continue the numbering from the previous section. We just need to help it along. To do that, we'll click Page Numbering again, go back to Format Page Number. We're going to tell it to continue from the previous section, and also that we want it to be Roman numerals as well. We click on OK, and now our table of contents is Roman numeral 1, table of authorities, Roman numeral 2. You notice in a regular document, we now have a number 1. We don't want to have it same as previous, because if we do anything fancy with the table of contents, we don't want it messing up our regular document. So we're going to turn off Link to Previous one more time. And if you're not seeing a regular one, if it's showing as a Roman numeral or it's showing the wrong number, or you don't see it there, go back to Page Number. If you need to insert it, go to Current Position and choose your number. Or if it's showing Roman numerals, click Format Page Number, choose the correct number format, and make sure it's starting at 1. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact the help desk.